Gold hits one-month low after hawkish Powell. Copper plummets. Gold prices sank to a one-month low on Monday following hawkish alerts from the U.S. Federal Reserve, at the same time as copper fees plummeted on susceptible industrial statistics from China. Spot gold prices slumped 0.7% to $1,726.06 an ounce, even as gold futures sank 0.7% to $1,727.50 an oz by using 22:20 Eastern Time, 2:20 Eastern Time. Both gadgets have been trading around their weakest degrees since overdue July. Prices of the yellow steel plummeted ultimate week after Fed Chair Jerome Powell dismissed any belief of a dovish tilt by the Fed, and warned that U.S. consumers and businesses would have to cope with better hobby costs as inflation rises. The Fed chair additionally mentioned that financial growth in the U.S. could probably slow as a result. Powell and RS&Qo's feedback spurred a rally within the dollar, with the dollar buying and selling round 20-year highs on Monday. Strength in the dollar, coupled with the possibility of growing hobby prices, significantly dents gold and RS&Qo's outlook for the 12 months. Over 60% of buyers now anticipate the Fed to hike fees by means of 75 basis factors, the upper quid of forecasts in September. Comments from numerous Fed officers suggest that U.S. hobby quotes should cease the year extensively above 3%, from the cutting-edge price of 2.25 to 2.5%. Focus this week turns to U.S. payrolls information due Friday, which can deliver the Fed even extra area to elevate charges. Rising interest costs have in large part sapped gold and RS&Qo's gains this 12 months, despite the yellow metal seeing a few gains during the onset of the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Gold is trading down almost 5% during the last 12 months, and has slumped almost 20% from 2022 peaks. Industrial metals also slipped as greenback strength waned, even as Powell and RS&Qo's financial warning sowed doubts over metallic demand. Copper futures plummeted 1.8% on Monday, with vulnerable business records from China furthering the purple steel and RS&Qo's losses. Industrial income within the United States of America persevered their decline in July. Focus is now on Chinese PMI records due later this week. That's probable to sway expenses further. Copper expenses have fallen drastically this 12 months on an economic slowdown in China, the largest importer of the yellow steel.